It's that time of the year again, y'all. It's time for the second annual Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2024. For those who may not know, Plant a Garden TV is a fellow gardener and YouTuber. He grows a lot of food and he grows it organically. You know, Plant a Garden TV has challenged us to grow 10 different herbs from seed. This challenge will run from March 1st to June 25th. You know, videos must be uploaded on the 5th and 25th of each month. And the winners will receive cash and prizes. So what is Old Black Guns and Gardens growing, y'all? Let's check it out. So first we have lavender. You know, lavender has been used as a remedy for a range of ailments, including anxiety, depression, and fatigue. So the first herb seed I am sowing is lavender. So the second herb seed that I am sowing is basil. You know, basil helps with digestion. It helps to reduce acidity. And it helps to detoxify the body. It's also, you know, useful in controlling blood sugar levels. So the second seed that I am sowing is basil. So the third seed I am sowing for the Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2024 is sage. You know, sage has been shown to help support oral health, aid in brain function, lower cholesterol, and lower blood sugar. So the third seed that I'm sowing is sage. So the fourth herb seed I am sowing for the Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge is spearmint. You know, spearmint has antibacterial properties. And spearmint tea has been shown, you know, to sharpen memory, treat indigestion, nausea, and vomiting. And it also helps with gas. Oh yeah. So the fourth herb that I'm growing is spearmint. So the fifth herb seed that I am sowing is oregano. You know, oregano is rich in antioxidants. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. And oregano promotes, you know, digestive health. So the fifth herb seed that I am sowing is oregano. So the sixth herb seed that I have sown is parsley. You know, parsley is a natural diuretic. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamin A, C, and vitamin K. And parsley also contains, you know, properties that may help, you know, fight skin cancer. So the sixth herb seed that I have sown is parsley. So the seventh herb seed that I have sown for the Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2024 is cilantro. You know, cilantro has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. So the seventh seed that I have sown for the Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2024 is cilantro. So the 8 herb seed that I have sown are chives. You know, chives are believed to support sleep cycles, and they're believed to prevent plaque accumulation, in your blood vessels. So chives can be used on, salads, omelets, smoothies, and they're pretty delicious on potatoes. So the 8 herb seed that I have sown are chives. So the 9th herb seed that I have sown is marjoram. Marjoram has anti-inflammatory properties. It may help, reduce, the risk of certain chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Marjoram may also, lower your blood pressure. And it's believed to help, regulate menstrual cycles. So the 9th herb seed that I have sown is marjoram. So the 10th and final seed that I have sown for the Plant a Garden Herb Garden Challenge 2024 is fennel. Fennel seeds can help with digestion, nausea, bloating, and cramping. So fennel is my 10th and final seed. So family, those are the seeds that I have sown for the Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2024. Family, I appreciate all the support. I really, really do. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.